forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Fort Pickens, or near Pensacola Pass, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pensacola Bay, Big Lagoon, West Santa Rosa Sound, Pensacola Pass, Fort Pickens, Escambia Bay Bridge, Blackwater Bay Bridge, East Bay, Escambia Bay and Pensacola Bay Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area and Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Perdido Pass to 53 nautical miles southwest of Ormond Reef, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact,
The local
small
Doppler
craft
radar.
could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Big Lagoon, Pensacola Beach, Pensacola Pass, Shalimar, Destin, Fort Pickens, East Bay, Okaloosa Pier, Pensacola Bay Bridge and Garcon Point Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, western Choctawhatchee Bay, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line,
The local Doppler radar.
The National Weather Service